In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Drive folders alphabetically. Start by logging in to Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main drive, where all your files and folders live. Next, navigate to the exact place you want to sort. This could be My Drive, a specific subfolder, or even a shared drive you have access to. Open that location so you're viewing the list or grid of items inside it. The sort you apply will affect only what's visible in that current view. Now look to the upper right area of the file list. You should see a small button for sorting, often shown as A to Z with an arrow or labeled Sort Options depending on your screen size. This control sits near the layout and information icons just above your files. Click that Sort button. When the menu opens, you'll see several ways to organize items, like by last modified or last opened. For an alphabetical layout, the one we want is Name. Select Sort by Name. Instantly, your folders and files in that location will arrange from A to Z. If you're in grid view, they'll reorder visually. In list view, you'll see the names lined up in alphabetical order. This makes it much faster to scan for what you need and keeps similar items grouped together. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most out of this. Sorting by name changes only how items are displayed to you. It doesn't move files between folders, change sharing, or rename anything. You can repeat the same steps inside any other folder you open. If you don't immediately see the Sort button, try maximizing your browser window or switching between grid and list view. The option remains in the same upper right area. If you often rely on alphabetical sorting, consider using clear, consistent folder names so they group logically. For example, adding short prefixes like 001, 02, 03 helps keep sequences in order, and using full words instead of abbreviations can make scanning faster. That way, when you sort by name, the layout reflects the structure you intended. And that's it. Log in, go to the folder you want, find the sort control in the upper right, click it, and choose Sort by Name. With this quick change, your Google Drive becomes easier to navigate and more efficient every time you open it.